Mucha, mucha, mucha gente. The beach is packed, overpacked, super packed. Thousands of people today. Sun shining right through right here a little bit. Lots of people up on the pier. Thousands of people out on the beach. Even enjoying this little overcast starting sun, parting to peek through. You got a little bit of sun on the water right there. Not very much though. Coming in and out. Just a little bit. My foot's hurting. Second time running today. Got 14,000 steps. 10,000 steps. Tried 20,000 steps. More like it. The blue with me. We got double duty. Double duty. Oh, stepped in a bubble. A few surfers out this morning. Just a couple kids catch waves this evening. Tons of people out in front of the hotel as well. Up on the pier enjoying the little cafe and foods and drinks and they have up there. Never been up there and sat down. I'd like to do that one day. Enjoy a nice sunset on the pier. Yep. Blue tried to eat that dog. There's a surfer out there trying to catch some waves quick. No, it'd be hard to see him there in the dark. This guy looks like he's gonna try to get that one out there. Big old monster roller coming. Let's see if he can be in time and get prepared for it. See him pop up or not. Oh, he went right over top. This guy, he's got his desert going. Dessert tray. Woo! He's got that baby moving. Dessert's coming on fast on wheels. Try to get out there tomorrow morning and catch some waves at 7 when it's nice and calm out there and the wind's not blowing. It's paradise. Unbelievable paradise. Oh, stepped into the bubble. Oh, there's, what's his name? Carrot Top? Ain't that Carrot Top? Oh, some of it, dude. You'll make a lot of views on that one. head. We got one head. He was taking another video of his girlfriend or wife, whatever. Thousands of people. Water's still looking nice out there. I saw a dolphin out there this morning. I wanted to go get the board, but I had to work again. Hup. Playing with some seaweed. Some nice rollers out there right now. Huh. Nah. Nice, some heavy air starting to grow in right now. Perfect breathing. Perfect. Oh, it's a building a sandcastle over there. We got lotes. I love them toasted lotes. Woo. I bet the sun was out, it'll be a little brighter. A little bit nicer, but maybe tomorrow. We always got Sunday left. Saturday night, downtown. A lot of motorcycles down there. Saw the downtown video yet? Did I even upload it? Getting pretty bad. Oh yeah, because I was uploading the crap videos. I will have the Saturday downtown videos uploaded pretty soon. Hey. You okay? You okay? Let me see. That balloon guy. I'm sure you guys get some balloons, like makes a lot of balloons about dogs and stuff. That big old dog right there, looks like a bear. Gonna be a little bit of trash here, I suppose. Hey, what is that? Probably the apples saw my camera right there. Okay, out fishing. These guys are all lined up. All wound up. All lined up, all wound up. Oh. Yeah. Excuse me. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers. Thank you for watching the video. These guys are ducking under. Boom, there they go. It's fun out there, you guys. Paradise. Just bobbing them waves. Family photo time. They're partying like rock stars. Woo! Shoot right there. You guys act like he's got one on there. No. Hey, leave him alone, leave him alone. You're gonna get in trouble. You're gonna get him in trouble. He's like, hey, that was pretty rough on you. I don't know. Yank the ball, most of the neck right off. That was rough. I ain't rough. I ain't rough at all. I'm pretty nice, actually. I just thought you were supposed to tug lightly, not pull them backwards and tailspin them all around. One full turn. Very nice. I'm gonna try to get in the water tomorrow. Some nice, beautiful waves out there for right now for catching paddleboard. My ankles are a little bit rough right now for 15,000 plus steps. I'm gonna put this is my world record for I can't remember since when. I'm putting my steps in the. I'm gonna post them in my steps. So how many? 16, 17,000? I hope I get 20,000. It's 10,000. I'd double that. You guys are working on there Saturday. picking up trash, a little bit of trash stuff. Looks like a few buckets. Keep the trash emptied. Look at that. Look at them nice, beautiful rollers on the sun shining on them right there. Ooh, look at that. I should zoom in, but I ain't got nothing but my lips to zoom in with, so I can't. Almost back, honey. Blue's getting thirsty. He knows he's not supposed to drink the salt water, so just thirsty. Might give him a nice big old patch of water when we get back. A batch of water. Alright, thank you guys. It's getting thin. There's still a few people, a lot of people up here. There was a lot of people up here and to the right of the beachcomber. And I got some big news for you. Not until later though. Beachfront property in Rosarito. Woo! You can touch the front ocean with your front teeth. That's a rock, come on. Come on. Another one right here. Come on. I'm gonna see how much I want for it first. Then if I can't afford it, then I will, I'm gonna make a video about it, of course. Later today or tomorrow. Let's see what time it is. See what the plan is for dinner. I could have a strawberry banana milkshake right about now. Okay, brother. I'll tell you what. I am tired as can be. Hit 20,000 steps. My right ankle's hurting pretty bad. I'm almost limping on. But I ain't gonna give up though. I have to be stronger, more solid, heavy duty, ready for right. They got some digging going on over there. I don't know what the heck it is going on, but everybody's all out partying down at the beach, having a beautiful, wonderful time. Some people are kind of mad that you don't take videos of them sometimes, I think. I don't know. Could be my imagination. You never know. Entonces, muchas gracias. Toda la gente se escribió en mi canal. Muchas gracias por mirar de videos en todo el mundo. Muchas gracias a toda la gente en general. Hopefully you have a chance to come and visit Rosarito. Yep. Just trying to see if he can eat a bite of sand, I think. I think he's getting thirsty right about now. We gotta get back to the house and give him some water. Alright, thank you guys for the subscribers. Thanks for watching the videos and Rosarito Beach.